This 2024 Palomino Puma 31 FKRK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Palomino is 37 feet 10 inches in length and features Sleep 6, LP detector, skylight, smoke detector, spare tire kit, air conditioning, leveling jacks, stovetop burner, water heater, auxiliary battery, slide-out, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Palomino Puma 31 FKRK is 8,693 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.